Hello, my name is Mackenzie and I am a student recruiter with the University of Alberta. Having been a student here at the U of A, one of my favorite parts about campus are the amazing spots to learn, study, and explore on campus. Today I'm going to show you a few in the Faculty of Arts that you can enjoy as a U of A student. Our first stop is the Arts and Convocation Hall in Arts Quad. This is one of the main performance spaces for students in the Department of Music. The ceremony room was used for convocation, but we quickly outgrew that space and now host convocation in the Jubilee Auditorium not too far from here. Let's take a peek inside. Students can take classes, but also visit the Community Service Learning Office. CSL offers University of Alberta students the opportunity to make a difference and work with local community groups while applying to their degree and earning course credit. Speaking of services, let's take a trip over to the Humanities Building through our Housing Union building, where you can visit the Arts Undergraduate Student Services office. If you would like to speak with a Faculty of Arts advisor who can help you with any of your arts degree questions, you can always contact the Undergraduate Student Services. Their team of specialists can give you useful advice, help solve your degree issues, or refer you to other relevant services at the University of Alberta. Last but not least, you can't forget about our fabulous Fine Arts building. Here you'll find dozens of classrooms, our printmaking and design studio, large rehearsal spaces, musician practice rooms, and more. One neat thing about this building is that it adjoins the Tim Center of the Arts, our resident theater on campus. With over 200 seats in their largest theater, there are endless shows to experience as a U of A student, supporting your fellow art students. Well, that brings us to the end of our tour. I hope that you feel at least a little bit more equipped with information on all things U of A. This is certainly just scratching the surface, so if you want to explore more, be sure to visit us for a campus tour. Additionally, if you got questions for me and my team, you can book a one-on-one virtual advising session at uab.ca/advising. We can't wait to welcome you on campus whenever your U of A journey will begin. Bye for now.